Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your Spotify password on Android or iOS. Now there are basically two scenarios. The first is that if you're currently logged in, you do remember your password and you want to learn how to change it. The other is that if you don't remember your password and you might have forgotten it, so we're going to learn how to reset that as well. So you want to make sure to stick with us till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change your Spotify password on iPhone or Android in 2022. So there is basically two cases. One is that if you already do know your current password, you are logged in, you know everything, but still you might want to change it and you're not being able to figure out the option. The other is that you might have actually forgotten your password and you want to learn how to reset it. I'm going to basically discuss both of those, so you want to make sure to stick with us till the end. Now the reason I will not use the Spotify app in this tutorial is because that it will not let me actually record the login screen. So you can also, I'm going to basically show you from my browser. The interface is pretty much the same. You could do it from your browser as well if you want, but if you're comfortable with the app, go ahead and do that. I'm basically going to open my browser in order to show you all of the process on how you can actually change your Spotify password. Now first of all, in the search box I will simply go to spotify.com. Now we will discuss the first scenario when you are actually logged in, you do know your current password and that you're figuring out how to change your password. Then first of all, you can see after you go to spotify.com, let's say we are already logged into our account, right? Let's say we are logged into our account, and what you have to do is on the top right you can see there's three horizontal lines. So you have to basically simply tap on these three lines. Once you tap on these three lines, here you'll find the option called account. So you have to tap on account. As you tap on account, you'll be taken to an account overview page where you have the option to customize many things. And over here, what we have to do is simply tap on edit profile right over here. As we tap on edit profile, now you can see the password button here, but it is actually grayed out. We cannot actually tap on it. So in order to change our password, at the top you have this drop down menu. So you have to tap on this drop down menu which is called edit profile, and from edit profile you have to switch to change password right under it. So above the notification settings and under the edit profile button, you have the option called change password. You have to basically tap on the change password button, and this is for those who actually know their current password. You could go ahead and enter your current password in this box, and then you have to enter your new password and then reconfirm your new password and then simply tap on the set new password button. And this is basically how it works if you already do know your password, right? Now let us discuss the second scenario where we don't actually remember your password. So first of all, I'm going to actually log out of this account, and after I log out I will show you the way on how you can actually log in. So after we've actually logged out, again we are going to tap on the three line icon on the top right hand side, and then I'm going to tap on the login button. As we tap on login button, now you can see it says us to enter our email address or password. And if you don't remember your password, what you have to do is tap on this button called forgot your password button. So you have to tap on this forgot your password and make sure you at least have the access to your email address. So if you don't have an email address on which you use while creating a Spotify account, you'll basically not be able to recover your Spotify password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address which I used for my Spotify account, and then I'm going to simply check this I'm not a robot captcha verification, and then I'm going to tap on the send button. Now it may actually basically send an OTP code or some kind of message to reset the password, and I'm going to actually come back and then open my mail app. And after I open my mail app, it is going to send an instruction. So let's wait until I receive some kind of email from Spotify itself. So I'm going to refresh it until we receive, and right on top you can see I have received a reset password link from Spotify itself. So I'm going to tap on it, and it says right over here, no need to worry, you can reset your Spotify password by clicking the link below. So I'm going to tap on the reset password button right over here, and it's basically going to open up in a new browser, and it says us to actually set a new password. Now finally this is the option. You don't have to enter your current password now. If you don't remember your old password, you could go ahead and choose your new password, repeat the new password, verify this I'm not a robot captcha, and then tap on the send button, and you will have successfully changed your Spotify password. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, it doesn't really matter because I showed you from the browser version. And this is how you can change your Spotify password on iPhone and Android. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.